Hey everybody, I'm making a quick video. I had a couple requests about how to plug the speaker in and how to detach it from a monitor. I'm sorry about my crazy hair and my voice. So I'm going to show real quick how this stuff goes. And right here, I've got a computer, typical computer, with the sort of normal connectors, and this is the speaker. And basically, you've got two ends on it, right? So one is green, and that's just going to correspond with the green spot on the tower. So that one's pretty simple to understand. This one is only going to be to deliver power to the speaker, and so any USB port will do. All right, so that's it, fully hooked up. I think you can see that. And I'm doing this one-handed. Basically, I'm going to set this down and then do the second part here, which is going to be the monitor. And I apologize in advance. I know this is not going to be the greatest quality, but as you can see, I've got a monitor here. You can tilt this particular one back, and it should go to its side. Should make everything a lot easier to work with. So I'll start this way and say that this particular speaker is going to mount like so. You just put it up, click, and it goes in. And you've got a tab right here, which you can lift, and it comes off. So that little tab sticks in there and clicks it in. Just pull it out, and it should come right off. I've had them stick before. It's not fun. Makes you super mad. Made me say probably a bad word or two. But anyway, that's the short update. I know you guys had questions a long time ago, and I apologize it took this long to get this video out. Thanks, guys.